The other story that's created quite a flutter, especially since it has come out of the blue in Jammu and Kashmir, where very cordial relations were always enjoyed between the Sikh and the Muslim community. There have been a series of protests over the last few weeks, especially after reports that at least three Sikh girls, were allegedly captured, converted, and then married off. It's been called love jihad, something that up till now was very familiar refrain in the northern part of India, in the Hindi heartland, in Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. But there were protests from Kashmir to Delhi, where a demand has now been made to bring in an anti-conversion law in Jammu Kashmir.
Kashmiri Muslims would stand with our Sikh brethren. मैं एक कॉमन सिटीजन हूँ, मेरा पॉलिटिक्स के साथ कोई लेना देना नहीं है, लेकिन मेरे को आज बर्दाश्त नहीं हुआ जब मैंने देखा कि सिख भाई जो हैं, बहनें जो हैं, सड़कों पे निकली हैं प्रोटेस्ट करने। हमें सबको आगे आना चाहिए और सिखों का साथ देना चाहिए।
वो क्या वहाँ जो हमारा समाज, हिंदू समाज रह रहा है, कश्मीरी पंडितों की तरह उनको भी निकालने की एक साजिश रची जा रही है। जैसे पाकिस्तान के अंदर धर्म परिवर्तन की परिभाषाएं चलती हैं, वैसे श्रीनगर के अंदर 2 लड़कियों को अगवा किया गया, उनका धर्म परिवर्तन कराया गया। 50 साल के बुढ़े की शादी 22 साल की लड़की से करवाई गई जबरन।
We are demanding the same thing, that same law should be implemented in Jammu and Kashmir, because Jammu and Kashmir is now directly under the rule of central government, and this should be implemented immediately because ethnic cleansing is going on. Hindus, Sikhs and other minority communities, they are being targeted by the majority community over there.
In fact, let's tell you about the cases themselves. The first one is a disturbing case of an 18-year-old girl. Her parents say that she is differently abled and she was captured at gunpoint by an elderly man, 62 years old, who already has 2 wives and was subsequently forcibly married off. It's only later, when she was tracked down in northern Kashmir after considerable protest by her parents, that she was eventually handed over to them by a court. However, the second case where this forced conversion is being allowed concerns a young woman in her 20s who's married a 31-year-old man she says she loves, and she has done it out of her own free will. In fact, she has now approached the court seeking its protection and saying that it's her parents, because they are opposed to an interfaith marriage, who are harassing her, may even threaten her, and she fears that she or her husband may be booked on a false case. But let's first listen to the father of the 18-year-old talking about why he had to protest outside a court.
हम यहाँ पर हमारा रहना या न रहना, यहाँ क्या फ़ायदा? कुछ है? आप ये बताइए। कोर्ट हमारी बात नहीं सुनता है, पुलिस स्टेशन हमारी बात नहीं सुन, पुलिस थाने वालों ने हमको FIR की कॉपी भी नहीं दी। जो हमने लिखाया, क्या नहीं लिखा, हमको बाहर गेट पर आ गया। यहाँ रहना वाली थाने का सेकंड जो SHO साहब जो वहाँ के थे, चौकी अफसर, कहते हैं ये मत लिखो, पिस्टल था उसके पास, ये मत लिखो। मैंने कहा सर जो फैक्ट है वो किया तो वो तो हमने लिखना है। कहता नहीं ये मत लिखो, इस केस में मत लिखो सर।
तो कोर्ट में क्या बताया गया? क्योंकि
कोर्ट में हमको अलाउ ही नहीं किया गया, न कोर्ट में हमको कोर्ट की कोई कॉपी मिली, न कोर्ट में अंदर जाने दिया।
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
All right, Sanju Verma, National Spokesperson of BJP, joins us along with Mahesh Inder Singh Grewal, Senior Vice President and Spokesperson of Shiromani Akali Dal, Ifra Jahan columnist, Advocate Mohammad Rashid Qureshi, leader of PDP. First question to political analyst Waqar H. Bhatti. Why does everyone start talking about elections and politicization, Waqar Bhatti? It's a crime, right? किसी को किडनैप करना तो क्राइम है, और अगर उसके खिलाफ लॉ मांग रहे हैं तो उस पर गलत क्या है? भट्टी साहब, आपको आवाज आ रही है? आई डोंट थिंक वो मेरे को सुन पा रहे हैं ना, उनकी आवाज आ रही है। इफ्रा जान, इफ यू कुड टेक दैट क्वेश्चन, पॉलिटिक्स किधर से आ गई?
पहले तो the police says that it is not aware of the case where you're stating that there is an 18-year-old and a 60-year-old man. The police says that it's a fake case. As far as the second case is concerned, the Grand Mufti of Jammu and Kashmir has clearly and categorically stated that such a union is not acceptable to the Muslim community. even though the 26-year-old woman has clearly and categorically in a court of law stated that she wants
No,
to
I'm
get
sorry.
married
What
to
did you
this
just call a fake
31-year-old.
case? You're saying
Yes.
the 18-year-old's case is fake. How do you know that? You have the police on record saying that.
Yes, the police has said that there is absolutely no such case. If there is a case, I would want you to show us an FIR copy.
Who said this?
I would want.
Please name.
Well, there is no. Where are
Who
the
is the
parents?
person who
where
said
are the
this?
parents of this case? I'm afraid. Where are
Who
the
is the
parents
police?
of this case?
Where are the parents? I just
Where are
made
the
you hear
parents
the
of this
parents.
case?
The 18-year-old's
they are
father
the-
just spoke.
No, they are the. in the court.
I just played out for you what the 18-year-old's father said.
In the court, the girl is.
The girl who lives in
26
Renawadi.
years
I
old.
just played out what he said.
The girl in the court is 26 years old. You clearly said the one case has gone to court and one case has not gone to
Madam,
court.
you're talking
Yes.
about two different things. First of all, the 26-year-old girl has said मैं अपनी मर्जी से गई. 18 साल की जो लड़की है उसके फादर ने बाकायदा आकर के ऑन रिकॉर्ड बोला है कि शी इज डिफरेंटली एबल्ड. उसको सर पे बंदूक रख करके किडनैप किया गया और फोर्सिबली शादी की गई. ये केस क्या आप फेक कह रही हैं जो 18 साल की लड़की का है?
जो 18 साल की लड़के का आप केस बता रही हैं, उस केस में भी फादर ने साफ साफ बोला है कि कोर्ट ने रूल किया. फादर खुद बोल रहे हैं कि कोर्ट ने खुद रूल किया. आफ्टर दे लिसन टू द गर्ल दैट द गर्ल बिलोंग्स टू दैट द गर्ल शुड गो विद द पर्सन हु शी वांट्स टू गो विद. एंड वेयर डू यू गेट दिस fact that the man is 60-year-old? Because I have not seen a single document that says the man is 60-year-old. Every journalist on the ground is saying that the man is 31 years old, and there are cases and there are reports coming out that the man is 35 years old. So where did the 60-year-old come from?
Okay.
I'm afraid there is
मैडम
no
आइदर
evidence for the 60-year-old.
ये खुद पेरेंट्स बोल रहे हैं. ये खुद पेरेंट्स ने बोला है, खुद
तो
फादर ने बोला है कि वो 60 साल से ऊपर के हैं. महेशिंदर जी
सभी बोल
ये
रहे
सब
हैं,
मेड अप
but
है.
there is no
ये सब
document.
मेड अप
There
है.
are-
ऐसा कुछ है नहीं है. कहाँ एफआईआर हुआ है? एफआईआर किधर है?
Multiple
ये
reports
झूठ क्यों
of
बना
the
रहे हैं
FSA.
महेशिंदर?
I think it's really sad that the conversion of a Sikh girl to Muslim and then getting her married under force and threat is a shame on the country. It's the girl is from a community which guru of which community sacrificed their life against the forcible conversions. And today we are facing the same situation. At that time of Guru Tegh Bahadur, the Pandits of Kashmir came to him to save their religion. But unfortunately, this time the Sikhs of the Kashmir are seeking help of the country that there should be no forced conversion. It's a shame for the nation that after independence, the community which made most sacrifices for its independence are behaved like this, are treated like this. I think it should be condemned in the harsh words, and such things should be stopped. Where there is a marriage, intercaste marriage.
Ifrajan, and you will deny.
Never happen without
I'm sorry,
the
ma'am,
consent
the
of the
case
parents,
has
whether
gone
the
to the
child is
court.
minor or major.
Both the cases have gone to the court, and the High Court has clearly
That's no
ruled
ground
there was no
to. That's
forceful
no
action.
ground to stop action.
Sir, that is the High Court has ruled after listening to the women themselves. Do women
Madam,
in our country have no agency?
if we allow these things to happen, there will
Sir,
be
please,
chaos in the country.
You as men cannot allow us. How will you
Don't
allow-
forget
who are
this
you
thing.
to allow women to choose their. No, sir, men will not have the agency to allow or not allow us as independent women to choose our husbands, to choose our religion, to choose our clothes. And this is for all
No, really,
communities
you
and men
can't
of all
change the
religious
religion.
communities.
You can't change the religion. It's not the individual right. It's a question of community.
Sir, it is
When
not
the
a
girls
question
were
of community
abducted
only. Women should not be
girls were
forced
abducted
to-
by the
No,
Muslim
no,
rulers
women
of
should not
the
be
foreign
forced to
countries, the
carry
Sikhs
your
lost their
community
lives to
honor.
save the girls.
Women should not be forced to carry the community honor in any religious community. We are
Why?
independent women.
Because you-
and we have
no,
clearly we
the
will
Sikhs-
testify in the court whether we want a
These-
certain thing or whether we do not want a certain thing. The women in this case have clearly testified in the court that they want to stay with the men of their choice. And this appears to every woman of every community. Every
One girl,
woman should be
one
allowed-
girl,
If
one
you
girl,
are
please,
surrounded
one girl,
by
one girl. Again,
100%.
Ifrajan, you've got your facts all haywire. One girl who has submitted in court that she wants protection because now she goes by the name of Khadija, and she says, I am a major, I'm 26 years old, I'm married to 31-year-old Mansoor Bhatt, and I want to stay married to him. That's the case you're talking about. Please don't try and conflate everything with the case of Khadija.
Absolutely
All right,
not.
and if you've got a statement from the 18-year-old girl,
Please listen to the.
if you've got a statement from the 18-year-old girl, please feel free to produce it.
No. Please listen to the statement of the 18-year-old girl's father. The father of the 18-year-old herself says that the court, while after she was produced in the court asked her to go with the man of her choice, wherever she wanted to go. You just gave us
And then the court gave it back. The court gave her back to the parents when they said that she is differently abled. Now she is with her parents, ma'am. Why do we keep going over this again and again? Please, let's get the facts straight. But Sanju Verma, the larger point that Ifra Jan is making, that a woman is not supposed to carry the burden of her community's honor. And a law would go against the idea of freedom of choice.
You know, Padmaja, first and foremost, the topic of discussion today is a very sensitive one. It is not about young consenting adults, young consenting women. This is not about Special Marriage Act of 1954 or Hindu Marriage Act of 1955. This is simply about the fact that an adult, be it an 18-year-old or even for that matter a 13-year-old who was abducted recently in Pakistan, a Hindu girl, and converted to Islam. The fact is conversion is criminally culpable. Forced conversion is simply not acceptable, and Ifra Jan said that Kashmir police has said no such thing happened. Grand Mufti said, you are the same lot which refuses to believe the Jammu and Kashmir DGP Dilbag Singh when he says that Lashkar-e-Toiba operative Nadeem Abrar was behind the killing of Fayaz Bhatt, his wife and his young daughter. But you will quote the Jammu and Kashmir police on national television when it suits your narrative. So please get rid of your hypocrisy. The fact of the matter is that Mr. Amit Shah, the Union Home Minister, has categorically told the Jammu and Kashmir Sikh Federation that he will do everything possible to ensure that these 4 girls who were forcibly converted, Padmaja, are returned back to their families. And let's not forget, why are we trying to shove things under the carpet, Padmaja? Have we forgotten the famous 2014 case of national shooter of India, Tara Sedio? She married a guy called Ranjit Kohli only to find out later he was not Ranjit Kohli. He was Rakibul Hassan. Have we forgotten last year Nikita Tomar was shot dead in broad daylight in Ballabgarh? Why? Because she refused to convert by 2 people called Tausif and Rehan. So please stop coming here. The likes of Ifra Jan want to ensure that this whole forced conversion thing is window dressed. Sorry. The fact is forced conversion by radicalized...
Mr. Rashid Qureshi, why are you smiling?
Gruesome reality.
If talking about keeping women safe from such crimes is concerned, does the PDP support such a law if it was to be brought about in Jammu Kashmir?
Let me. You are asking from me. I'm laughing about the narrative spoken by my sister. Just wait. I and my party categorically, and I'm saying the people of Jammu and Kashmir, whole Muslim community in Jammu and Kashmir are supporting in favor and supporting the victim. And we are not asking any technical question. Whether it's 18 year, whether it's 24 year, the girls should...
So what is your
justice.
Narrative? What is the narrative you are smiling about?
No one, can't see, no one.
There should be no crime. There should be no force.
Padmaja?
Yeah, it's up to the court. It is up to the court to see whether there is a crime. The matter in
Will
the
you
hands
support
of
a law?
police
The Akali Dal, the BJP is saying, like Uttar Pradesh has a law, जैसे मध्य प्रदेश में कानून है, वैसे जम्मू कश्मीर में कानून लाया।
Never.
क्या आप उसको सपोर्ट करेंगे?
Never ever.
क्या PDP सपोर्ट करेगी?
Never ever.
Why not?
My request. My request. Don't build it. That's why I'm laughing. That narrative is being created by way of a larger conspiracy to defame these innocent girls. And you are securing your political agenda by creating a law. How it is possible? Let court.
You got your facts
किसकी कंस्पिरेसी है?
Kindly see, kindly see. I have not spoken when you are talking. It's not a good habit. You are my sister. Kindly wait. I was meant.
नहीं आप क्योंकि कंस्पिरेसी एक सेकंड आप कह रहे हैं कि एजेंडा मत चलाइए, कंस्पिरेसी
I'm not for you. I'm not for you to be get me informed.
Can I please make a point, Padmaja?
Kindly see. Let me conclude. If you so let me conclude that all of the Jammu and Kashmir is in support of her, and our parties also as not in favor of any Enki and Penki. We are in favor of with these girls. We irrespective of their caste, creed, and color, whether it is a Sikh or a Hindu or a Pandit or a Muslim. Kindly see.
Okay, all right, Sanju Verma,
the rule of law is there.
Don't try and peddle your agenda by talking about it as a conspiracy.
My submission.
Okay. Padmaja,
Yes, yes,
make
with
my
you.
point.
That you
Yes.
bring this law by way of you are
Oh my
bringing the
God.
law. Oh, you're saying the UP and the Assam has made the law, and you have to make a law by way of this. I appeal
Sir,
to the
this is
Sikh
not
community.
me saying it.
I
This is not
appeal
me
to the
saying
Sikh
it.
community.
This is what the
Don't
Akali
fall in
Dal's
the prey
representation
of
was.
such type of-
This is
such
what the
type of a
Akali Dal's
conspiracy.
representation was.
We are with our
I
Sikh
come in?
brothers. We
Okay.
are with those
May I
girls.
come in?
We are not on a
Okay,
technical
I would
ground.
have.
Whether they
Okay, I would have given more time. I would have given more time to Sanju Verma to respond. Also for Vakar Bhatti to speak, but unfortunately, I'm completely out. I have a sense that this is something that we'll hear more of in the next few days as well. But let's hope if there is any crime done, it shouldn't go unpunished. Thank you very much, all gentlemen. Ifra Jan, Sanju Verma for joining me. Thanks for watching.